Swimming in the ocean where the water's nice and blue. There's a bunch of fishies and they're waiting just for you. Let me tell you about them, every type and kind, from the tiny little guppies to the big ones you can find. Oh, there's goldfish and clownfish and rainbow colored trout. There's jellyfish and starfish and fish that like to pout. There's a fish called Nemo, who's always on the go, with his friend Dory swimming fast and slow.